everyone, my name is Najwa Ristianti, but you can call me Najwa or Awa. And I am a student of the Pharmacy Department at Politeknik Kesehatan Tasikmalaya. In this digital storytelling, I would like to share my personal reflection about this English course. I will talk about my speech performance, the chapter that I found most interesting, which is neurological system and mental health, and my overall learning experience throughout the semester. When I started this English course, I honestly feel nervous about my speaking skill. I often worried about making mistakes when I spoke in front of the class. During my first speech, I spoke too fast, and sometimes my pronunciation was not very clear. However, as the semester went on, I began to feel more confident and relaxed when speaking.
The most challenging part for me was maintaining fluency and pronunciation at the same time. Sometimes I knew what I wanted to say, but the words just didn't come out smoothly. I also struggled to control my body language and tone, but I learned that practice really helps. The more I spoke, the more naturally it felt. The most valuable thing I learned from this experience was that communication is not about being perfect, but about being confident and clear. The moment that made me most proud was when I always tried to create English dialogue with my friend in front of my lecturer and classmates. I did it with more confidence and better English every week. That made me very happy and motivated me to keep practicing and improving.
Among all the chapters, we studied chapter 9. Neurological system and mental health was the most interesting to me. I chose this topic because mental health problems are very common among students, including myself.
In college life, we often feel stress, anxiety, and pressure from assignment or exam. Sometimes these things affect our mood, sleep, and concentration. This chapter helped me understand how the brain and nerves work together when we feel emotion like stress or sadness. I learned that our mind and body are connected, and mental health is just as important as physical health. I also learned some useful vocabulary such as nervous system, stress, and mental disorder. It helped me see how English is used to talk about health and pharmacy in real life.
I realized that pharmacy has an important role in supporting people with mental health problems. As the future pharmacist, I want to not only give medicine but also show empathy and care. This topic taught me that learning about the brain is not only science, it's also about understanding people, feeling, and helping them heal. Throughout this semester, I have learned many things, not only medical vocabulary but also confidence, teamwork, and self-expression. This English course helped me grow as a student and as a future healthcare professional. Of course, there are still things I need to improve. I want to speak more fluently and naturally. Sometimes I still feel nervous, but now I know that mistakes are part of learning. I plan to keep practicing, watching English videos, and communicating more in English. If I had to give myself a grade, I will say deserve very good is A because I have worked hard, participated actively, and improved a lot. But more than that, I'm proud of my effort and progress. Overall, this course gave me knowledge, confidence, and motivation to keep learning. I'm thankful to my lecturer and my classmates for all the support. Thank you for watching my story. I hope it inspires you to keep learning English with confidence. That is all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.